Hey everyone, welcome back to Fundamental Finances. If you're just getting into Bitcoin or crypto investing, you've probably seen those crazy charts with all the green and red candles and thought, what does all this even mean? Don't worry, today I'm breaking it all down for you. This is your easy beginner's guide to reading Bitcoin charts. No fancy jargon, just the basics you need to start understanding the market. Let's jump in. First up, what is a Bitcoin chart? A Bitcoin chart shows the price of Bitcoin over time. It helps traders and investors see how the price is moving so they can make smarter decisions about when to buy or sell. You'll mostly look at candlestick charts. They show the price movement in chunks of time, like 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, etc. Each candle shows 4 things: the opening price, the closing price, the highest price, and the lowest price during that time. Let's break down a single candlestick. If the candle is green, it means the price went up during that time period. It closed higher than it opened. If it's red, the price went down. It closed lower than it opened. Think of it like this. The thick part is the body. That's where the price opened and closed. The thin lines above and below are the wicks. They show the highest and lowest prices reached. Next, let's talk about time frames. You can look at charts by the minute, hour, day, week, and each candle will represent that time frame. Use shorter time frames like 1 minute or 5 minute if you're day trading. Use longer time frames like weekly or monthly if you're investing long term. Tip: beginners should focus on the daily chart. It gives a good overview without the noise. Now let's talk about 2 key concepts: support and resistance. Support is a price level where Bitcoin tends to stop falling and bounce back up. Resistance is a level where Bitcoin tends to stop rising and pull back. These levels help you figure out potential entry or exit points. If Bitcoin is near support, some investors might consider buying. If it's near resistance, they might think about selling. Here's a simple tool that beginners love: moving averages. A moving average smooths out price over time. The 50-day moving average shows the short-term trend. The 200-day shows the long-term trend. Tip: if the price is above the moving average, the trend is usually up. If it's below, it may be heading down. Another helpful part of the chart is volume, how much Bitcoin is being traded. High volume often confirms a price move. For example, if Bitcoin breaks above resistance on high volume, that's a stronger signal than if volume is low. Volume can tell you if a move is real or just a quick spike. Tips for beginners. All right, let's wrap up with a few helpful tips if you're just starting out. 1. Start with daily charts. They're easier to follow. 2. Don't overcomplicate. Stick to basics like support, resistance, and moving averages. 3. Avoid emotional decisions. Use the chart to guide you, not hype or panic. 4. Practice on demo accounts. Some apps let you simulate trades without real money. 5. Zoom out. Don't get caught up in short-term noise. Look at the bigger picture. And there you go. Now you know the basics of how to read a Bitcoin chart. Remember, reading charts doesn't guarantee profits, but it does help you make more informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides just like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching and happy trading.